Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Manuel Keenan. Today you see it in the title. We're going to be talking about why record labels hate TikTok. You feel me? So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Fade that like button, so we a movement, boy. Let's get it. Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Manuel Keen, and today you see it in the title. We're going to be talking about why record labels hate TikTok. Okay, there is a multitude of reasons why record labels hate TikTok. I came up with a few of them, and I want to share them with you guys today. The very first one that I want to share with you guys is exposure. Okay, exposure that pretty much encapsulates the maximum amount of people you can reach with your music. Labels have resources. They have different types of resources that they can use in order to push your music. Maybe they have plugs on how to get your music playlisted. Maybe they have, certain, they'll give you a certain amount of money that you can use in order to put your music in certain places, right? Because different types of outlets like DJ Academics, No Jumper, Spotify playlists, Apple Music playlists, things of that nature, they all have a price on how you can get your playlist or how you can get your song playlisted, right? So does Adam 22 with No Jumper, and so does DJ Academics, and music podcasts specifically that charge in order to get more exposure, right? And these record labels have different types of plugs and resources and people that they can call and get a hold of in order to do that, in order to launch your music to the next level. The problem with that is that TikTok is trumping all of that. And you can do it for free. I know it happened to me. It literally happened to me. So that's one of the reasons why record labels are hating TikTok, because TikTok is literally, well, firstly, it's geocentric, right? So it's going to be pushed out to whoever is in your immediate area. And then once it hits whoever's in your immediate area and it accumulates the watch time that it needs, it goes even further, goes regional, right? Okay, boom. People love what it is regionally. All right, now we're going nationwide with it. Oh, but you think that it's just subjected to just nationwide? No, it's gonna go past that. Now we worldwide with it, and it's literally at your fingertips. Literally at your fingertips. You upload a song, somebody gets a hold of it, maybe makes a cool dance to it. Oh my goodness, we love this one. We love this one. You know the TikTok dance. Stop playing with me. Come on, y'all know the TikTok dances. You know what I'm saying? Been that. Hey, you know what I'm saying? We know the TikTok dances. Stop playing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You feel me? Somebody gets a hold of it and they're like, yo, this is hard. And somebody sees that dance and then recreates it. Okay, cool. Now we have another person that sees that dance and recreates it. It's the same thing that happened with K-Camp's Renegade, right? Renegade. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like there was somebody that saw it, created a dance to it, and it went absolutely wild. Everybody was doing it. And it's literally at your fingertips. You just press upload and it's there, and it's ridiculous. No other app has the power that TikTok does in terms of exposure and in terms of reach, right? That's specifically the reason why Instagram is doing what it's doing right now. How it's literally diverting its strategy from pics, which is what Instagram is for. Instagram, right? Pictures, the galleries, photos, things that you see. That's what Instagram is for. Well, that's what it was for. But TikTok is literally the centerfold of attention right now. Everybody is on TikTok. It's got over 1 billion users, if I'm not mistaken. Please fact check me, because I'm kind of just going over off the top of my head. But it's got a lot of users, and it's literally the most watched app right now. Number one. It's outdoing YouTube, it's outdoing Facebook, it's outdoing Instagram, it's outdoing all these apps. And Instagram is universally known as the copycat app, bro. That's what it's universally known for. It's known as the copycat app. What did Instagram do when Snapchat came out and Snapchat was making its way, when DJ Khaled was doing his, you know, his what was it? Y'all help me out. Well, this is recorded, so y'all can't help me out. This ain't live. But what was DJ Khaled doing, man? The cloth talk. You know what I'm saying? And doing all these other extra out things on Snapchat that was, you know, boosting his music streams and boosting his business or whatever the case may be. So as soon as Snapchat came out, Instagram was like, hold up, we don't like that. Let's do Insta stories. And now everybody is posting Insta stories, right? Twitter tried to do the same thing, but they just wasn't successful with that. So that's essentially what it is, man. Exposure. That is the first and main thing that TikTok is doing now that record labels absolutely hate, because I don't want to say it's exposing them, but it's really showing the reach that independent artists can have by themselves if they just put work into it and put a solidified or, you know, a legitimate strategy towards pushing their music on TikTok and it blowing up, right? So that's one of the reasons why record labels do not like TikTok. The second reason why labels do not like TikTok is this right here, okay? Money. Now, you might be saying, King, that don't make no sense, bro. How is it that labels don't like TikTok? You know, TikTok is paying people, yes, but TikTok isn't paying people that much. So how is it that labels don't like TikTok because of money? It's not specifically based off of just views. Now, I am getting paid from TikTok based off of just my views and my engagement and things of that nature. It's not that much. I'm gonna keep it 100,000, bro. Like, it's not that much. However, you can monetize your fans and monetize your audience if they like what you have to offer, right? So you can then divert them to, you know, different types of outlets that you might have. For me specifically, it's music, right? So even though I'm making money from TikTok, I'm also getting money from streams, right? They go to the song that I promote on TikTok and they run it up and they share it. They share it to other people that they might know and say, hey, you ever checked out Emmanuel King? He's hard. He just came out with this song. He just came out with this. Let's check him out. You feel me? So then they'll do it. And then what it is, it's an accumulation, right? It's a compound effect, right? It's a domino effect. I have more and more people listening to my music, sharing it, and it's creating a wave. It's creating a buzz for me, and that's literally what TikTok is used for. So I say that to say they didn't have this before, especially when TikTok first came out, but they just implemented putting bios in people's profiles now. So whatever business that you have to offer, all you have to do is put whatever website, whatever it is, in that bio on TikTok, and as long as whatever your video is related to, they're going to go to that link in that bio because they're invested now. They want to know who you are as a person. They want to know who you are and what you have to offer as a business, whether it be music, whether it be, you know, merchandise, whether it be clothing, whether it be building houses, real estate, whatever. Let's make sure that we stay in the path. Record labels, right? Music. Independent artists are realizing they can monetize their audience and use it for their monetary gain, and they don't necessarily need labels for that. Specifically, and my camera is finna die. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I'm back. And they realize that they don't want that specifically because it's like, dang, man, like, oh, well, what else can we necessarily do? You feel me? So that's number 2. Number 3, investment and brand opportunities. As I said before, and this kind of piggybacks off of the first reason that I gave y'all, TikTok is the only app that has the amount of exposure to promote your brand, to promote your music, to promote whatever. I've gotten a few brands that have contacted me and said, hey, we see the exposure that you've had on your TikTok. Is there any way you can promote this? Is there any way you can promote that? Is there any way you can promote this? And that's usually that you can literally use that and utilize those opportunities for monetary gain as well, right? Brand opportunities, brand deals. It's exactly what musicians do nowadays whenever they have commercials. Sprite, they're using their brand, who they are, in order to promote the brand that Sprite has. And then maybe they make commissions off of the sales, maybe from that commercial or whatever the case may be. It all translates to more money, okay? And I guess you can kind of tie that in with the second reason, but this is kind of like different in terms of, you know, actual brands contacting you and saying, hey, we like what you're doing, we're seeing the exposure that you're getting from this, and we want to take part of it because we know that people are going to see our product if we collab with you. In terms of the musicians out here, because I know I have musicians that follow this channel, TikTok is not something that you want to put your all into in terms of your marketing strategy and things of that nature. It's not something that you want to put your all into, but you should definitely have that as one of your main components whenever you market your music. Whenever you want to put out a song, you definitely want to use that, because all of the artists are doing it now because they see the benefit that TikTok is offering, man. So thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me and listening to what I had to say in terms of the benefits of TikTok. If you have not done it yet, please start a profile. Do it. You will not go wrong with it. I am living and breathing proof of the benefits of TikTok, man. So please do that, man. If y'all enjoy this channel, if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Go in the comment section, tell me how you felt about what I said. If you got any more questions, hit my DMs. Everything is in the description. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, fam. Gang.